So to go to the outro, I will click to the schedule and go to day 9, concluding remarks, and where to go from here. And open that in a tab. Fix the font size. So I have the privilege of greeting you and Sarah, concluding the workshop, even though I haven't been around much. All our other hosts are occupied with other stuff today. So first off, we'd like to thank everyone who's attended. So all the participants, of course. We've had a whole lot of team leaders and hosts in other different locations scattered around who are basically running the local breakout teams and stuff like that. That's great. We think that having this local connection while the centralized teaching is a good way to do things. So make sure you give them a thanks. We should thank all the different instructors. I don't know how many we even had this time, 10 or more. So it's actually been quite well, and it's been quite nicely distributed here. So we'd like to thank all of them. In addition to the people you've actually seen, we've had more people in the background who have been answering questions in the notes and stuff like that. That is, they've basically been able to help us focus on teaching. And all the local partners who help to do stuff. So I'm not saying the names here so that the names don't get recorded in YouTube, but all the names are on the website. So please go take a look. You can give us feedback. So of course there's feedback within the notes that are there. You can give it for both today and the whole workshop, or you can let us know by email. This is our chat if you want to join and talk with us live. Since you know how to use Git now, if you see things that are wrong, you can go and make Git issues directly in all of our different lessons and improve things. Basically, everything we've taught you now is exactly what we use to do the development of these lessons. What we've given you so far is only the starting point. So we've said a lot of stuff. We've had to give one version of the lesson for everyone at every different level, and it is quite, we're not even pretending that we have something that's the endpoint here. But you can review all of the things that we've done here. We hope that you're not done here, but you can keep reviewing and using what we have. You can also ask for help. So our model here is we give the teaching, it's live, it's almost like a MOOC course we have, but then you have all the local support to go and ask them questions about these things. Basically, all of the people you see here in all the different countries, these are places where you can ask and say, hey, like this is my team here. You can come and ask us, hey, I have trouble with version control. Can you tell me what my problem is? Or can you help me add unit testing to this program I'm writing, or things like that. And same for some of the other different groups here. Also, these are the organizations where many of the instructors came from, so you can find them through that and follow up if you'd like, invite personal lessons or things like that. Okay, if you like a certificate, you can see the course webpage. This will tell you what we've got there. I don't remember the details, but I think you've discussed it before. If you'd like to support us, there's different ways. The most important way is to tell others about the workshop and let them know that it's relevant for their starting as a researcher. Our next workshop has just been scheduled. I don't think it's written on this page right now, but in about 6 months, we have the next workshop. And it will be a lot like this. So you can practice and then you can send your friends here next time so they can work with you. You can follow us and boost us on different social media. If you want to, you can bring your colleagues as a team next time and, rely on us doing the main instructing and you help with the exercise leaders, or help as an exercise leader and help with the exercises then. There's our chat that I mentioned and newsletter. Both of these you can sign up for to hear more about what's going on. And finally, if you're really interested in the topics here, so if you like what you see, if you think that, hey, I'm actually interested in doing more of this kind of software or data or code things as part of your career, and you're a researcher, there's a term for that now, called the research software engineers, and different groups behind this. So it's basically a community of people who are in research, but their skills lie in getting the code, data, software, stuff like that working better. And they're very important parts of the the research process. I mean, computing and data is in almost every field of science these days, but not everyone can take the time to learn it all themselves unless we have specialization. And if you want to specialize in that kind of stuff, many of the instructors here, we basically work as some sort of research software engineer or research engineer of some sort and have made our career out of this. So it's something that you can think about also. If you really like it, next summer in Tromsø, Norway, we have a third in-person Nordic Research Software Engineers Conference, and maybe it's the kind of place that you can join and visit. So yes, any feedback we should discuss in the notes? Well, that's not a lot of feedback. Please, please add more here. And yeah, anything else? Or should we call it good?
Yeah, I think we have all the topics
Yeah.
covered.
And it's exactly the ending time. So I guess thank you everyone for listening and watching. It's been a pleasure to have so many people attending this. And yeah, see you later.
Yep. See you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.